Well, hello and happy Friday. I've got a story for you. Today is August 27th, and something happened to my car on August the 10th. It's not what you're thinking, thankfully. The last time the car had some kind of issue was at around 18,000 miles. I have almost 45,000 miles on the odometer. And since then, it's been solid, reliable. I had taken it on mountain road drives, a track day, autocross, and it's been nothing but perfect. But almost 2 weeks ago, on August 10th, I drove the car down to Anaheim for work to go to a manufacturing trade show. And so that meant I had to leave the car alone for a few hours. So yeah, it got hit while parked. I was not there to witness it. I'll show you what the damage entailed. Basically have damage to the left front headlight. It was pushed in maybe 4 inches, or no, not 4, maybe 2 or 3 inches. But that was enough to push other items behind it, including the left-hand side part of the radiator, which the air intake is attached to, so it shifted that whole deal to the passenger side. So obviously I was not happy when I got back to my car in the afternoon after leaving it in the morning. I got lucky though, because whoever hit me left their contact information, and that I'm grateful for. I'm also grateful that it didn't happen while I was driving and I didn't get hurt. So those are really two big pros. But yeah, it sucks, obviously. The biggest part that actually upset me wasn't so much... Sure, yeah, it upset me that my car got hit. But the other half, too, was when I contacted my insurance, I got really bad service. I was not happy at all. And I let them know it, definitely, over the phone. And even up to this point, going through the whole process, it has not been great. The day it happened, normally you would probably wait an hour, maybe an hour and a half at most, for a tow truck, or maybe even sooner, in best case. But this time, from discovering the problem, calling insurance, and then finally getting a tow truck, because I wanted a tow because I didn't trust that the radiator didn't get, critically damaged, so I wanted to play it safe. But it took over 3 hours to finally get out of the area where I was, where the damage occurred. So I was really unhappy about that after a long day as well, basically working, and I had to drive back several hours. That stuff adds up. It stresses you out, and now you have to deal with a problem. You expect things to work properly. But yeah, today, it's been almost 2 weeks since it happened, and only yesterday or the day before did the insurance company approve the estimate and repairs from the shop. And this whole time up to today, I've been having to get the ball rolling and calling the insurance company for updates. Like, I haven't been happy with the way that I've been communicated with. Basically, I'm having to do everything. I'm having to manage it like it's a project. So yeah, that really upsets me, and that's what upsets me the most right now. Do I wish I had my car right now? Of course I do. I'm going to try and look at this in the positive light. It wasn't a mechanical issue or a reliability issue. I'm thankful for that. However, it does scare me now, knowing that the radiator got pushed back. I don't know, you know, it could have caused other problems. The repair shop found no other damage other than the headlight, obviously the bumper. They found some damage on the hood, so that's going to get refinished, but no critical damage done to the radiator. I think a bracket holding the left side of the radiator needs to be replaced, but other than that, that is it. As far as getting the car back, I called the body shop today. They said that they need to know when they're getting parts, so I guess parts are harder to get right now. I don't know if it's the car or the pandemic or both that's contributing to that delay. So they're waiting for an estimated delivery date for parts, and then once they get the parts, it's going to take a week to replace everything and repaint the bumper and hood. So I'm going to be stuck with this rental car until then, for at least maybe a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. Hopefully no more than that. I hope not. Also, on the bright side, the person that hit my car, their insurance company is covering all the costs and the costs of this rental car, so that is good. Well, thank you all very much for watching. I appreciate everyone who's subscribed and for all the views so far. Hope you've enjoyed the content I've been putting out. I know it hasn't been perfect, but I'm working on it and I'm having fun, which is important to me. If I stop having fun, I'm going to stop doing these, pretty much. So, but yeah, thank you very much, and I'll talk to you all next time.